Let's move on, starting with the men's perspective. You're facing the audience, standing on the right leg. Continue by taking a side step to the left, preparing for a small dip. Rotate your body a bit counterclockwise, keep your left knee slightly bent, and while keeping your hips directed forward to the partner, straighten your right elbow to dip the lady. Then rotate your entire body clockwise and pull the partner back to the vertical position. During all this time, you should keep most of your weight on the left leg with your left knee slightly bent. Once you finish the dip, take a side step to the right, then take a side step to the left, raising your left hand and use the right hand to lead the lady below the left one. She's going to walk around, you can connect your feet meanwhile and take an additional tiny step or two to adjust your distance, ending up on the center line of the dance floor. The lady will end up with her back to you, give her your left hand on the left side and your right hand on your right side with your palms facing up. Let's stop here to cover the lady's perspective. Ladies, to prepare for the small dip, take a side step to the right and rotate a bit counterclockwise. Bend your knees, direct your hips forward to the partner and tilt your upper body and head backward. Then rotate clockwise together with the man, while keeping most of your weight on the right leg all the time. Straighten your knees and get back to the vertical position. After the dip, take a side step to the left. And before we get to the next part, let's turn around to show the dip from the front as well. So, side step to the right, hips forward, bend your knees, tilt, rotate, get back up. During the dip, it's very important to avoid pulling the partner with you. Try to stay within your own balance as much as you can. Remember to keep your knees slightly bent and try to tilt your head as far back as you can for a bigger visual effect. Let's go back to our proper direction. After the dip, take a side step to the left, then take a side step to the right, getting below the man's left hand and start walking in a small circle. Take a step with the left leg, right, left, right, left, turn your back to the man, place your left hand on top of his left hand and your right hand on top of his right hand. You're facing the audience at this point. You should both end this part with your weight on the left leg. Let's count this part. Starting from the dip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.